Hi, so welcome once again to another edition of um, on the chat with Dr. Harmonix. Now, we are going to look at Euro USD, the forecast for Euro USD, and what you should be looking out for as and when the market plays out. If this is your first time visiting the YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and press on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Now, with Euro USD, we are analyzing it based on Elliott waves and smart money concept. Now, when you look at, so let's look at the history for Euro USD. Now, the market has been gave us some sort of let's look at this one. So we had a harmonic pattern over here, which ended at 78.6. So we're expecting it to hit 1.272, which hit exactly 1.272 to form um, the butterfly pattern. So we had this butterfly pattern completing. Now we had this impulsive wave over here. Okay. So it's just like now this can also form another harmonic pattern over here. Now what we are looking out for is the current situation. Yeah. So let's go to the daily time frame and see what happened. Now let's use Elliott wave to analyze. So we had uh, a running flat correction over here. Then we had another. So what we can do is now this can be an A, so it can be a flat formation and continue for the last wave, or it can just come and mitigate, or this can be, the 5 waves completing. So you can, it depends on how it's going to play out. Let's go to the lower time frame to see what happened at that current situation. Okay. So this could be a whole pattern completion, or it can just be the A wave of a flat pattern. Okay, so in either case, these levels were trying to complete or trying to create unmitigated order blocks over here. Let's assume this is a full wave. So let's assume we have a wave one for a running flat correction, wave two, then wave three, which is mostly the longest wave four, and wave five. Now, it can also come as okay. So the reason why I'm not using this one also as a flat correction is that we had a flat correction over here. Okay, we had a flat correction over here. So I'm not expect. I'd rather go for this as a triangle formation, which then will be seen as this. So this is A, B, C, D, E as a triangle formation. So in this case, once we have the impulsive wave going over here, now it has to correct. So when it's correcting, we are targeting the unmitigated order blocks here within the mitigation point. Now let's go to the higher time frame to look for the order blocks. Now we can see this bearish candle before we had a break of a change of character over here. Yeah, before we had this change of character causing um okay, so before we had this break of structure, okay, before the structure broke over here, this was the last bearish candle, so this becomes the order block. This was the last bearish candle. And when you come over here, before this structure was broken, before this structure was broken, which actually broke this level, yeah. So this there was another block over here. Let's go to the weekly to identify that one. So you can see that there was an other block before the structure was broken, which was this. Okay, so in each case, I'm expecting Euro USD to either come and tie this unmitigated order block here, or it forms an inducement over here and break to the downside. So it can go up from here, or it can create an inducement and drop to the next. If the orders over here are not, the buy orders are not matched to push the price up, then we should be expecting it to come down to the next order block over here to pick more buy orders before it goes up. So in this case, I'm expecting Euro USD at least it should jump all the way to this zone. Now, when we go to the lower time frame, let's go to the lower time frame to look for our setups. Now, this was the end of wave 5. Now we draw our line, our trend line over here to wave 5. It broke it. You can see that it has broken it. So let's look at something here. Let's go to the 1 hour. Now, when we go to the 1 hour, you see that it's creating lower lows and lower highs. Okay, so let's draw a trend line. Yeah. Now, possible scenario is that it can create this and drop, or it can just move along this line. So the best approach to this situation is to put your stop loss at the current price. Just put your stop loss above here, and let's see the price drag down to the unmitigated order block on the higher time frame, which is this level. So we should see the price fall all the way to this level. So that's our plan for Euro USD. So thank you. Make sure you subscribe, and once I upload the next video for the next pair, you can also have a quick view of it. Thank you, and see you in my next video.